Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off mouse acceleration. So if you have ever felt like your mouse is a little inconsistent, sometimes it's moved fast and sometimes slower, today we are going to fix this issue, so let's go step by step. First of all, you can go ahead and click on the start menu or go to the search, and you can just go ahead and type in settings on your search and open it up. Once you open up your settings, you can head over to System, and from there go over and find option for devices. Just go ahead and find it, or go over to Bluetooth and devices and find it from there, and there we go. Now here, head over and click on the option called mouse. This one right here, you can find different options like mobile cameras, etc. Look for mouse and hover over to it and open it up. Now once you open up mouse, you will be finding different settings available. Now what you can do is basically from here you can look out for your primary mouse button, etc. And you can just go ahead and look out for scrolling and other different options. Now you can head over and find the option called additional mouse options. You can find it up and click on it and open it up on your screen like this. And a new window will pop up on your screen. I can go over to the pointers tab, click on it, and here go over the pointer options instead. And once you are here, you'll be finding different options. Under motion, there is a checkbox called enhance pointer precision. This is actually mouse acceleration. All we gotta do is uncheck this right here by clicking on it and then hit apply, and then go ahead and click on OK. And once you do so, your mouse will move 1-to-1 with your hand, no hidden speed boost. And that's it. Now you've got a raw consistent mouse input whether you're on Windows or Mac, so you can turn this off and make a huge difference. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll be seeing you in the next one.